confirming the first case of St. Louis encephalitis in a group of mosquitoes here in town. KLBK's Alyssa Tejas shows us what that means for us.
Terry, people can become exposed to St. Louis encephalitis when they're bitten by a mosquito that has also bitten an infected bird. Now, the good news here is that the encephalitis can't be transferred from person to person, but the symptoms are very similar to West Nile virus.
It's always interesting to find it the first time, and we'll probably see more.
The CDC calls it a rare disease, now found in Lubbock mosquitoes for the first time this year.
A couple of weeks ago, we tested a pool, and they were positive for both West Nile virus and St. Louis Encephalitis virus.
Dr. Stephen Presley with the Texas Tech Department of Environmental Toxicology says the mosquitoes with the viral disease were found in West Lubbock.
We've had that unusual period of rainfall and then hot weather again, so mosquito numbers have boomed.
He says they also found SLE last year and says it's not as concerning as it is unusual.
Concerning from the standpoint that we find St. Louis Encephalitis virus. It's kind of unusual.
Presley says finding both St. Louis and West Nile in a pool of mosquitoes raises some questions.
Looking at, are the birds, do they have co-infections of West Nile virus in St. Louis? We don't know.
Presley says pets like dogs can't be affected, but in humans, the CDC reports some symptoms include fever, headache, dizziness, and nausea. In rare cases, SLE can result in a coma or death. And the most susceptible are the elderly.
Another reason, just like West Nile virus, that folks should take particular care to protect themselves from mosquito bites.
And Dr. Presley tells me that because of tomorrow's very cold temperatures, most of those mosquitoes will be taken care of. From Higginbotham Park, I'm Alyssa Tejas, KLBK News.